Hello students, today we will discuss the next topic of chapter 5 algebraic expressions, that is finding the value of an expression. Finding the value of an expression. We are given any expression, if we are given any expression that is x plus 4. X plus 4 is an expression and we have to find its value. Then we cannot find its value. But if we are given the value of that variable, if we are given the value of x, then we can easily find its value. Okay, so in this topic we will find the values of an expression. In this example, find the value of the following expressions for t is equal to 2. The expression is t plus 7. Then we can find its value if we are given t is equal to 2. Then we can put t is equal to 2, that is replace t by 2 in this given expression. Then the value of expression will become 2 plus 7. Because we put t is equal to 2, then we put t is equal to 2, then it will become 2 plus 7. Then the answer will be 9, because 2 plus 7 is 9. In B part, the algebraic expression is 2t plus 15. 2t means 2 multiply t. Then we will replace t by 2, because t is equal to 2 is given. Then it will be equal to 2 multiply 2 plus 15. Then it will be equal to 4 plus 15, because 2 multiply 2 is 4 and 4 plus 15 is 19. So the value of given expression at t is equal to 2 is 19. Then in next example, t cube minus 2t minus 4, it is the given expression. Then we will put t is equal to 2 in this expression. Then it will become 2 cube, t cube will become 2 cube, and minus 2t will become minus 2 multiply 2, and there is minus 4. Now we will solve it. 2 cube will be equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, and there is minus 2 multiply 2 and minus 4. Then there is 3 times 2 and it will be 8. There is 2 times 2, 2 multiply 2 is 4, minus 4, then there is minus 4. Now 8 minus 4 is 4 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So the value of given expression at t is equal to 2 is 0. Then there is one more example. Find the value of the following expressions for z is equal to minus 5. Here we are given z is equal to minus 5. Then replace z by minus 5. The expression is z plus 30. So when we replace z by minus 5, then this expression will become minus 5 plus 30. Then the answer will be 30 minus 5 is 25. So the value of given expression for z is equal to minus 5 is 25. Similarly, there are two more parts, 4 minus z square. Then here we also replace z by minus 5. Then it will become 4 minus 5 square, because the value of z is minus 5. So z square will be minus 5 square. Then it will be equal to 4 minus and minus 5 square is 25. So it will be 4 minus 25, and 4 minus 25 is equal to minus 21. So this is the value of an given expression. Then next example is find the value of the expression x square minus y square plus 2xy at x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Then we will replace x by 2 and y by 3. So the statement will become x square will become 2 square minus y square will become minus 3 square. Then there is 2xy, that will be 2 multiply 3. Then it will be equal to 2 square will be 4 minus 3 square will be 9. Then 2 multiply 3 is 12. So we will solve it. 4 minus 9 is minus 5, and minus 5 plus 12 is 7. So 7 is the value of given algebraic expression. Then there is one more example. Simplify the expression and find its value at x is equal to 3. We are given an expression. First of all, we have to simplify this expression. Then we will find the value of expression at x is equal to 3. The expression is this. First of all, simplify this expression by adding like terms. Like terms are 2x square and 5x square. So write them in one bracket. And minus 3x and 5x are also like terms. So write them in one bracket. Then there is minus 7. Then we will solve it. Then it will become 2x square plus 5x square will be 7x square, and minus 3x plus 5x will be 2x, and there is minus 7. So this is the resultant expression and we cannot solve this expression. Now put x is equal to 3 in this expression. Put x is equal to 3 in this expression. Then it will become 7 multiply 3 square plus 2 multiply 3 and minus 3. Then after solving this statement, the answer will be 62. So this is the finding the value of a given expression. Next is formulas and rules. There are some perimeter formulas and area formulas that you have to learn. First is perimeter of equilateral triangle whose length is L, side is L. Then its perimeter will be 3L. Then perimeter of square of side L will be 4L. And perimeter of a regular pentagon with side L will be 5L. And perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B, where L is length and B is breadth. Then area. Area of a triangle with base B and height H will be half into base into height. And area of square is L square. And area of rectangle is L multiply B. And you have to learn all these formulas. Thanks.